Here is a common problem that we encounter. The shower is dripping. It's a very, very simple fix. To do this, first we need to turn off the water. Let me just go do that. Water shutoff is normally in the basement. Just grab the handle, turn it 90 degrees. First we have to remove this handle. It's got a little set screw in there. I think, Oh, one more thing we should do. Make sure that nothing can fall down the drain. So, okay, take that out. Okay, quite long bolts. And then we can take this off. You never really know what you're going to find behind here. So, let's have a little bit of foam sealant, which is sealing it all, and then we can pull this little cover off. Okay, now there's this little collar in here. It should only be hand tight. Oh, okay, we got that. Okay, and let's pull this out. There's going to be a little bit of water come out. As I said, we're in a bath. Oh, we can see why it was dripping. We have this calcium buildup. So technically we could even put this one back. That's what was causing the drip, because it wasn't letting it close properly. But while we're here, and we have a new one, we might as well replace it. So let's make sure that there's, clean it all out. We don't want any other debris, anything getting in the new one. Good. Oh. And you just order the replacement one, which is it here. It's slightly different, but you go on the website and you check and it'll be, let's see, it's the same model. Oh, they give you a couple of extra O-rings, that's nice. Okay, now what you need to do, H, so they put an H on this side, so H hot goes on the left hand side. And it has these little lumps, they have to line back up in there. Now I'm not going to just stick it straight in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this plumber's grease, because it makes it slide in a little easier. H on the side. Let's see how it goes back in. Line that up. Good push. There we go. goes in easier than it came out. Now, we need to put all this stuff back. So this little ring should only be hand tight, very, very firm, maybe just a fraction more than hand tight, depending on how strong your grip is. So that goes on. Okay, that should be good. And we'll go turn the water back on and we'll test everything. Turning the water on, do it slowly. A little bit at first, wait for the water to start, and gradually more, and then you can turn it full. Okay, so we're back and the water is on. It's not dripping, so that's a good sign. There'd probably be a little bit of a splash or something. And it appears to be working. This is just a little bit of stuff that's in there. Plus there's calcium built-up on there too. Can clean that off with some CLR. But fixed. But remember, turn the water off first. Thanks for watching.